When I was shopping around for PC specifications, I had three basic requirements as a university student. Firstly, it should be pretty future-proof and last me quite a while. Secondly, it should be capable of gaming, even casual gaming in its current states, and it should allow me to upgrade later on if I want to get more serious about it. And lastly, the most important thing, which is it shouldn't break the bank. And so I searched far and wide across every single corner of the internet before I eventually landed with these specs. So I went with the AM5 Ryzen 5 8600G chipset, 32GB of DDR5 6000 megatransfer RAM, as well as a gigabyte 650 watt 80 plus gold power supply. And this meets my first primary objective of creating a future-proof and upgradable system. And all of this was within my desired budget of $1,000. And considering the surging RAM prices, I think this is a win-win here. So how can this PC game without a discrete graphics card? Well, the Ryzen 5 8600G is an APU, which basically stands for an accelerated processing unit. And what that means is that it comes with some pretty capable integrated graphics within it. On its own, it can push some pretty good frames of more than 70 FPS on 1080p medium to high settings. This is all that I need now for casual gaming. And if I want to take it even further, I can add a discrete graphics card later on in the future. So all I needed to do now was order the parts, collect them, and get ready for the most fun parts, which is building the PC itself for the very first time.
Okay guys, a couple of things. Good thing is it booted up successfully first try without nothing. Some of the things to note is because this is a Ryzen 8600G build, which has a pretty good enough decent integrated graphics. I haven't added a discrete graphics yet, so these connectors, they're just lying around.
And so here's how the final build looks. So a little bit more about the PC case itself. It's a Power Case 315, and I went for this minimal wooden and black contrast theme. It also does have a transparent window, which allows me to look inside.